Today, we're diving into the top 8 water flossers that are perfect for deep cleaning your teeth, gums, and braces. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. First up, we've got the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser. This portable and rechargeable cordless oral irrigator features a massive 300 milliliter water tank, perfect for long flossing sessions without the need to refill. It's lightweight, IPX7 waterproof, and has multiple pressure settings that are ideal for all types of dental conditions. With high pressure pulses reaching up to 1,800 times per minute, it effectively removes plaque, prevents cavities, and improves gum health. Plus, it has an impressive 30-day battery life on a single 3-hour charge. It's great for travel, comes with multiple tips, and is gentle yet powerful. Next, we have the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. This one is a must-have for anyone serious about oral hygiene. It features 10 pressure settings, including a special massage mode for gum stimulation, and comes with 7 tips for different dental needs, including braces and sensitive gums. With a large 22-ounce water reservoir, you get over 90 seconds of flossing time without having to refill. And the best part? It's ADR accepted, meaning it's been proven safe and effective by dental professionals. The Aquarius also uses precision pulse technology to remove 99.9% of plaque and bacteria from hard-to-reach areas. Third on our list is the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. This flosser stands out with its 4 modes and 11 adjustable pressure levels, offering a highly customizable flossing experience. Whether you have braces, sensitive gums, or just want a deep clean, this flosser has you covered. It also has a 30-day battery life, meaning you can take it on your next trip without worrying about frequent recharges. And with 5 different nozzle tips, including a tongue scraper, it's perfect for maintaining your entire mouth's health. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Reure Water Flosser. This one features a precision 0.6mm water pulse, delivering deep cleaning power that reaches between teeth to eliminate plaque and food debris. You can choose from 5 different modes, including soft, pulse, and DIY, to match your personal needs. The 320 milliliters water tank ensures you won't need to refill constantly, and the 360 degrees rotating head allows for thorough cleaning, even in those tricky back areas. Plus, the Reure Flosser is rechargeable, portable, and offers up to 42 days of use on a single charge. Perfect for both home and travel. The Waterpick Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. This portable flosser is designed with travel in mind, featuring a compact design, a travel bag, and global voltage compatibility. It's rechargeable and can last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. It comes with 4 tips and 3 pressure settings, making it a versatile option for the whole family. It's also waterproof for shower use and ADR accepted, so you can be confident that it's safe and effective. Whether at home or on the go, this is a top contender for anyone seeking convenience and performance. Next, we've got the Only One Water Dental Flosser. This sleek, 300 milliliters portable oral irrigator is perfect for those who want to freshen their breath, remove plaque, and improve oral health on the go. Endorsed by U.S. dentists, it uses advanced water pulse technology with 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute at 50 to 150 psi. That's 3 times more effective than traditional flossing. With 4 pressure settings and 5 jet tips, this flosser offers personalized deep cleaning from gentle to intense. Plus, it operates quietly under 55 decibel, so you can floss without disturbing anyone. The 300 milliliter water tank is a big upgrade, meaning you can floss more without needing constant refills. And with a long-lasting battery that gives you up to 30 days of use on a full charge, it's perfect for both home use and travel. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so feel free to use it in the shower. Next, let's talk about the Okala Water Dental Flosser. If you want powerful, targeted cleaning, this is the one for you. With a motor generating 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute and water pressure ranging from 60 to 120 psi, it's great for removing plaque, preventing bad breath, and even promoting gum health. It comes with 3 modes and 4 interchangeable nozzles, giving you full control over your flossing experience. Whether you need a gentle rinse or a more powerful clean, you've got options. And did we mention the Okala has a super long battery life? Just charge it for 4 hours, and it lasts up to 45 days. That's over a month of flossing. It's compact and perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're at home or traveling. Last but not least, let's look at the OralFree Water Flosser. If you've got braces or bridges, this one's a game changer. With an upgraded pulsation technique and a strong water pressure of 30 to 110 psi, it's ideal for removing trapped food and maintaining dental hygiene, even for those tricky to reach spots. The OralFree Flosser offers 4 modes, so you can customize your clean from gentle to deep. Plus, the 360-degree rotating tips give you versatility and comfort, ensuring you can clean every angle of your teeth and gums. With a powerful battery that gives you up to 15 days of use on a full charge, this flosser is a fantastic travel companion. And with IPX7 waterproofing, you don't have to worry about using it in the shower or cleaning it afterward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations.